Now, as I promised, we're going to be playing this. Fantastic. Alright. DV Looper made with Unity. There's Dad. That was my dad. So, hello everyone, my name is Jared, and today we're going to be playing this horror game that was trending about a few months ago, and that all of a sudden got untrended for no reason, I don't know why, called Grant. Now, I've heard people play a game called Grandma, but I have heard a lot of people play Granny. And right now it's just dead because of FGTV. Screw you, FGTV. Let's begin. I am an easy person. Granny moves a little bit slower, no creaking floors. Opportunity to get a bonus day. Alright. Be quiet. She hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. The more you know. Press and hold the remove button and free yourself from bear traps. Hide under beds or in cabinets. You have 5 days. Use headphones for the best experience. Well, guess what? I don't have any headphones or earbuds because the ones that I had broke. Get out of here. You only have 5 days. All you need in this house. All you need is in the house. And be quiet. She hears everything. Granny is crazy. Good luck. Yeah, thanks for the good luck, man. I probably will die a horrible, gruesome death because she will bite my face off. No matter what. And God knows that I'm actually going to play this game for a whole series, and this is torture. Because I do not like horror games like this with jump scares. My heart is pounding. My tension is high. Who knows what will happen in this playthrough. Okay, so I can crouch. Okay. 5 days. Okay. Just gonna open this drawer. Absolutely nothing. Can I get some M&M? Leave this house 5 days. Okay. I don't like this atmosphere. Okay. So I'm just gonna drop it. Go back under the bed. Because I'm freaking terrified. Okay, she's gonna open that. Get up. Go back into the bed. I'm just gonna do this. Oh! Someone's here. Please go away. Oh! I was so lucky. Feel my heart. My heart is pounding. I'm staying under here. I'm too scared. I'm just gonna turn it down. I'm gonna keep it away from me. Keep it away. And now from under the bed. Then I do that, and then after that I go back under the bed, quickly, quick. Thank you. Happy people. Why did you just walk all the way over? Ah! I don't like horror games. I actually don't. I really don't like horror games. I have to leave this house. Well, too bad, because I'm only going to do a part 1 of this, so. Sorry if you wanted more, but I'm a scaredy cat.